In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a video in Shotcut. If you've got a clip that's upside down or you simply want to invert the orientation for a creative effect, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. Go ahead and open your project in Shotcut and make sure the clip you want to adjust is on the timeline or selected in your playlist. The key to making this work smoothly is using Shotcut's Filters panel, which is where all the visual adjustments and effects live. Let's start by opening the Filters tab. You can find filters at the top of the interface or at the bottom. Both buttons open the exact same panel, so choose whichever is easier to reach on your screen. Before you add anything, click on the video clip you want to flip so it's highlighted. This tells Shotcut, apply the next change to this specific clip. If you don't see controls appear, double-check that the correct clip is selected. With the clip selected and the Filters panel open, click the plus icon to add a new filter. A search bar will appear to help you quickly find what you need. Type the word size. In the results, you'll see an option called Size, Position, and Rotate. Click that to add it to your clip. This filter combines several handy transform tools in one place, and it's the one we need for flipping the video. Once the filter is applied, look for the rotation control inside the filter settings. Depending on your layout, you might see a slider, a dial, or a numeric field. Any of these will work. To flip the video completely upside down, set the rotation value to 180.0 degrees. You can type the number directly for precision or carefully drag the control until it lands on 180.0. As soon as you set it, you'll see the preview update with the clip inverted. At this point, your video is flipped. Press play in the preview to watch it through and confirm everything looks right. If you need to check another part of the clip, move the playhead along the timeline and preview again to make sure the entire shot appears as expected. If the clip doesn't seem to change, verify that the filter is on the correct item and that the rotation value is exactly 180.0 degrees. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully flipped a video in Shotcut using the size, position, and rotate filter and a simple 180-degree rotation. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick, clear guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.